Hello, boys and girls. How are you? Fine? Excellent. Today we are going to continue practicing reading. Here we go. Open your book to page 45, reading lesson 3. Remember, we're reading about Apollo and me, part 2, with our little friend Ferret. Okay, here we go with the next part. Okay, please follow the lecture with your finger. Okay, in order to answer the two questions for your understanding. Here we go.
As a matter of fact, when the hatch was open and Neil started to squeeze his bulky body out, I slipped out without being noticed. I floated down to the surface of the moon and landed as light as a feather, and it was great. Wherever I jumped, I bounced into the air like a kangaroo. As Neil lumbered around on the moon, I heard him say, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." I snickered to myself. I had landed and done a somersault before his feet had even touched the ground. However, when Buzz said, "Magnificent desolation," I couldn't have agreed more. There wasn't a chunk of cheese in sight anywhere. While the astronauts snapped pictures of each other and put a bunch of ugly rocks in sacks, I went snooping. I never found a scrap of cheese, but I found plenty of holes and burrows that would make fine apartments for my cousins. Perhaps we could establish the first ferret colony on the moon. A few hours later, we saw Earthrise. It was big, blue and white, and beautiful. I had to wipe away a tear. I could bounce and jump high on the moon, but I missed our beautiful blue sky, and our green forests, and our salty oceans on Earth. I missed the snow, and the rain, and the wind. I missed flowers and bees. I missed laughter and cheese. I scampered back to the lunar module, dove through the hatch, and slithered into my hiding place. I was ready to launch from the moon back up to Mike Collins in Columbia. Mike had been patiently orbiting the moon in the command module, waiting for us to get back to him.
Okay, excellent. Okay, now it's time to check for understanding. Number 1. What did the little ferret realize when they landed on the moon? Okay, go back. Okay, landed as light as a feather. Okay, excellent. Number 2. What things from Earth did the ferret miss the most? Okay, we're going to back here. Okay, and says, I missed our beautiful blue sky and our green forest and our salty oceans on Earth. And also he missed the snow and the rain and the wind. And he missed flowers and bees, laughter and cheese. Okay, excellent. Please answer this question in the extra pages of your book. And if you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. And remember, life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.